So this is kind of what my meal prep is looking for this week. I'm going to do the ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat, and then no more growth promoting antibiotics. This is the little containers I'm going to be using. Just got these at Walmart. They were $2 something. Baby spinach and some cucumbers and jasmine rice. And then these are going to be the snacks throughout the day. The caramel rice cakes, and this only has 50 calories. You can have up to 2 of these per snack, and 1 spoonful of peanut butter. This is the natural one, no sugars added. And so first we're going to start off with the rice. The rice, I'm just going to put this in a heating pan and just use the extra virgin olive oil and the jasmine rice. Just put some of this all over the pan. Just let it heat up a little bit. The pan is already hot, so then I just do, she's gonna be needing quite a bit of rice. Okay, so then I'm just gonna stir it with one of these. I'm just gonna stir it until the rice looks fried. And just keep doing that for a little bit, and then I'll let you guys know what I do next. And do you guys see the difference between some of these? Some of it's already fried, some of it still needs more. Then we're gonna add one, like a little bit more water than what there is of rice. And then it just has to be boiling water. Now I just add the water, just like that. And then I have my ground turkey on the skillet. And then it's not seasoned right now, but I'm going to be seasoning it. I'm just letting it heat up. With the ground turkey, what we're going to do is we're just going to smush it up like that. I have never bought this one, but I'm sure it's going to be the same. Start breaking it apart, okay? There's this, and then we're just gonna stir it up. I did use the Mrs. Dash spicy jalapeno seasoning, salt free, and yeah, then mix it up. The rice needs a little bit more time, but we're gonna put the rice right here, and we already have these 3 going. We just added some baby spinach from the Market Side brand. And then we're going to add some cut up cucumbers right there. And I'll show you guys when that's done. So now it's meal prepped and it's done. We just did some ground turkey, the rice, and spinach. We were going to add these 2 cucumbers and put them right there on the side. But once these get put in the microwave, it's not going to taste very well. So this is going to go in a different container the day of, and then this is going to be the snack throughout the day. And yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. It was easy, simple, and this only cost $30. There's still more turkey and there's still more rice. Thank you guys.